Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter about phone section. Here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now developer. And now you can find your developer options in system section here, and here they are, all of our developer options. You can also disable them here, and they will disappear from the settings list after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.